Who is not tired of complicated recipes and mountains of dishes? Don't worry, I have got your back. Imagine a meal that tastes like it came from a dream and is effortless. This is how you make pork and mushrooms. Soak a handful of dried mushrooms in water 10 to 15 minutes before you start cooking. Then roughly chop 1 medium onion. Put 1 tablespoon of pork fat into an oven-proof pot, or you can use your favorite pressure cooker. When fat starts to melt, add onion. In that moment I realized that I forget something. Sear the meat. Don't worry, I will show you how you can handle this. For this recipe I will use pork loin, which you will cut into slices 1.5 cm thick. You can also cut into larger cubes. Season the slices with salt and pepper on one side. Scrape all the onion aside and sear the meat on both sides. Sear meat in one layer around 3 minutes on each side. When all the slices of meat are seared, remove them and continue with the onion. And look at all that browning. That's a lot of flavor, and I mean a lot of flavor. And because the onion was in pot with the meat, it is almost done. Meanwhile, roughly chop 1 large or 2 medium cloves of garlic. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Add garlic to the onion. 1 teaspoon of cumin goes perfectly with mushrooms and adds a touch of earthiness. Fast mix and add 200 grams of mushrooms. These are fresh mushrooms that I blend for 5 minutes so they would survive the time between picking and cooking. Use mushrooms that you find in the forest, such as various types of boletus mushrooms. Roast for 1 minute and add the soaked mushrooms along with the water. Return sear meat. Add around 500 ml of broth so that everything is as submerged as possible. Cover the pot and place it in an oven preheated to 180 Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and bake for another 1 hour. Taste the sauce. If you need, add some salt and pepper to your taste. Serve it and let me know how you like it. This dish is completely versatile. You can have it with mashed potatoes, rice, pasta, or even home bread. Do you like easy one-pot meals? If so, you can check out some of my recipes, which you can find on my channel or in the description below the video. Thank you for your time, likes and sharing with your friends. See you next time.